Right. Using figure 7.14b, find the life expectancy of a 20-year-old and a 60-year-old American in 2016. Are the numbers consistent? So I'm looking for the life expectancy. Okay. So looking at this life expectancy, if you're a 20-year-old, you're expected to live about 60 more years. So 20-year-old expected to live around 60 more years. So 20 plus 60. So they'll live to around 80. So they're expect a 20-year-old to be about 80 years old. Now let's look at a 60-year-old. So 60-year-old expected to live around, let's see, 60. Looks like 23 more years. So 60 plus 23. So they're expected to live about 83 years old. Are the numbers consistent? I mean, they're fairly consistent. What I would say is like, uh, it does seem, strange that a 20, 60-year-old would have a large, but the thing is, if you've made it to 60, you've made it this far. I mean, that knows sounds morbid, but some 20-year-olds aren't going to quite make it to that point, and so those are counting against the average. And so for me, this seems reasonable. So, I think it would say, uh, for me, it seems reasonable. There are some things to consider. One is that, it's current data. There, I mean, you could argue different things. You could argue that maybe medical advances will be better for this group here, or maybe there's something about our society right now that we're not going to live as long. Maybe we're not as healthy as we should be. So like you would think, there's potential for to live longer with the health stuff, like the health care maybe improving, but also maybe there's things that we don't do well. There's just a lot of factors here, but I would say that it's fairly consistent, though. That seems reasonable.